Hi, Dave Snyder here. It's July the 3rd, 2014. Okay, check this out. This is on, I just saved this picture from Wonder Maps right here. See that? See that pattern? Okay, I just saved it. And I just overlaid it over the Earth in the Pacific just because it's easier to work on the equator because your picture doesn't get screwed up. So watch this. I'm going to put the lunar South Pole right over this picture. Just watch. You'll see. Lunar. Oh wait, I gotta go to the other folder here. Looks like it's gonna have to be pretty big. I might have to shrink the other picture down. Hold on a second. Oh, no, shrink the moon down. Hang tight. You'll see. Holy shit. Look at that one. That's a good one. Get it better a little bit. Isn't that something? It's definitely something. Damn it. I mean, look. Look at the circle. Look at the pattern. For those of you who don't already understand that the moon's hit the Earth, look at this pattern. See right here. This is Schrodinger. This is the lunar South Pole. This picture is reversed over the Earth. You have to flip it over like a mirror image, flipped over, overlaid over the Earth. Schrodinger. That's his print right there. Clearly. And you can see the rest. I mean, you can imagine the rest on your own. I mean, you can see the curve up here. And this is a shitty picture of the lunar South Pole. This is real shitty. Believe me, this is from Google Earth. That's why. Or Google Moon or whatever you want to call it. But that is pretty incredible. There's so much they're not showing in this picture as well. So much. Plus this crater shapes the hurricanes, as I've said before. I'm going to show you on the that Hurricane Arthur or whatever. I'm going to show you that one. Well, it's already here, huh? Alright, I think I got this one pretty well. See, the thing is this crater, I don't think it hits the Earth a bunch of times. I really don't. But this print will show itself often. Right about this time of year, we're going to start seeing it like this over here. Like this picture that I just had up over here. You're going to see it like that. Big round pattern. This is not to scale. This picture is not to scale. It's maybe a little bit. It's obviously a little bit bigger than it should be, but you'll see it just like this. That size. I mean, obviously a little bit smaller because it's oversized. But you will start seeing that all over the place. Right here, all around here, you should start seeing it. We've already seen it here a couple of times. Now it's going to be over here where the hurricanes come. This is the season. And let's see what I got for you here. Okay, so this is aligned. This picture here is from Wonder Maps earlier today, and it should be aligned pretty well to the borders there. They're all pretty well aligned, you can see. Okay, so this, and I think I got this pretty well aligned too. And you see the shape, see how this has got like a guitar pick shape to it? See that? I don't know if you know what a guitar, maybe I should say some other shape, but most people know. And you see the center of this crater, it's got that similar shape to it. Well, you understand what I'm saying. It's not going to be perfect. But this, I think, if you look at this picture without this weather map here, this picture here, over this area of the Earth. Think I got it pretty well aligned. What I started with was this shape here, and I put that right there where that curve is. See this? Okay, and when I put that there, I can see this here, like this fall in place somewhat. See that area? Pretty sure that goes with it. I mean, just follow me for a second here. Don't give up yet. Okay, and then you got this. See this curve? See this curve? Near the coast. This curve here. Just a little bit back. But I lined it up. I lined this up to, like I said, I lined that up right there. But basically, was trying to keep the weather in there somewhat too. And I think I can see like the Bahamas down there. Of course, see this pattern right here that they're kind of hiding, pixelating. See how it comes through the Bahamas right in that spot. Okay, and you see the rest of that shape somewhat. See this curve right here a little bit, not much, but a little bit. And then right here, this happened to fall in place right here. And if anybody knows see, I've never been over here to the East Coast. I don't know this area, but if you're seeing anything that, you know, if you know this area and you're seeing something that, you know, an area that interests you, just point it out, please. Because I don't know. I'd like to know what the geology's. I mean, look at this spot right here. Watch when I fade it out. There's something right in the same spot. See that? Pretty sure this has been here before. This crater, but like I said, I don't think it hit here, and then hit here. I think what had happened was it did hit the Earth. Obviously, it did hit the Earth. Either that, or this is all being created magnetically from space. You know, through space, from the Moon to the Earth, or it hit. I believe that it hit the Earth. Of course, there's a lot of evidence showing that. I mean, so much. Because all the craters, big craters on the Moon, fit the Earth. All of them. You can see that Mare Oriental is like the mother of the planet Earth, basically the mother impact. I mean, it fits everywhere, and the weather shows these patterns every day, every single day, different places every single day. And this is hard to see, but this Hurricane Sandy is this right here. This is, you put the Hurricane Sandy right inside this crater, and it just fits beautifully. And same with Mare Oriental. Yep, crazy, but it's true. Anyways, the hurricane, or whatever you want to call it. See the eyes? See, this is like part of that right there. Right there. The eyes you will usually line up with one of these areas here. I can see how this is all coming out right in this open area. See how this area is open? See how stuff comes out that side? Believe me, every hurricane, every cyclone, every typhoon will fit inside Schrodinger right there, that crater. Absolutely will. Check this out one more time. Biggest secret in gold mining. Everybody wants to laugh about all that. Yeah, laugh if you want. I think it's funny too. That you think it's funny. That's what I think is funny. Here, that might be a little better. Right here, hold on. Look. There's like a circular shape in there somewhere. Oh, right here, you can see it, like right here. And this is raw, like, I just found the double crater here too. The double crater video I made. Wow. That's right there, look at this right there. So I think I think when it slowed the Earth down, everything was iced over, the Moon was stuck to the Earth when it was, you know, when there was glaciers on the Earth, and it slid. I mean, it just kind of worked its way from the pole, from one pole to the other pole or something, because there's a trail all the way around the Earth. Absolutely, there is a trail. Watch. Goes around to the equator for sure. I showed that it goes from. My internet is not real quick. Should be at the fastest speed, but it's not. Going through wireless, so. Time ate my stuff, I think. But anyway, there's trails. It's all got to settle. See how it's kind of hard. This web page is hard on it. But I showed it to you here, showed it here over here before in Africa, all over the place in Africa actually, showing that, I mean, it couldn't possibly hit each spot that many times. Maybe it could, but I mean, I doubt it. I think it slid on the earth and left this trail from over here, and we've seen it here, and then it goes over here to South America, and you'll see it over here, and we've seen it here, and I've seen it here, and I've seen it all over here, just like I just showed you right there, and I've seen it all up here, and I've seen it right over Colorado, centered right here during the floods, seen it all up here, where we're seeing it now, seen it out further in the Pacific. So it has to be like a trail where maybe it was magnetic. I don't know. You know, maybe when it was real close to the earth it was making these magnetic trails or something, but something definitely made the trail, and it was definitely Schrodinger, because you can see the trail from one Schrodinger print to the next most of the time. Like right here, see one right, there's a circular shape there. Wow, look at that. I gotta wait for that to settle down. But anyways, you get the idea. I don't want to go on too long. I'll make another video if I have to later. Alright, have a good night. Happy 4th of July, by the way. Oh, come on, fucker.